Hi guys, it's Misha Montana and I'm going to review the bidet I was mentioning earlier, which I've been looking forward to all afternoon. Hi guys, this is Misha Montana and I'm here with product review and challenges, and today we're going to review the SAMODRA ultra thin bidet attachment, which is really cool because I have used bidets before myself. I've never used one that you had to install yourself. Every bidet I've ever used has actually been part of the toilet, so this is going to be really interesting. It's gonna be interesting to set up too, because you have to dismantle the toilet, take apart the seat, put this on, put the seat back on, disconnect the water supply. So it's going to be an interesting challenge today for sure, but I'm really looking forward to it. I don't think there's anything more important than the health of your downstairs. So this is going to be great and I'm really looking forward to it. Should we try it out? Let's do it. Let's see what we have in here. Instruction manual, important. But men don't need instruction manuals, right? Let's see. Okay, oh, it's tight in there. Wow, look at this. Ooh, we got some hosiery. Cool. This is going to be interesting. I've never set anything up like this before. Doesn't look too complicated though. I was expecting there to be quite a few pieces, but there are only a few. Look at this. Okay, so we'll have to read our manual and see what we have to do, but it looks pretty simple so far. This is the most important piece. Okay, so you have your controls on here. Control your water speed. I would imagine we're gonna have to see different modes. This is great. What do you think? Should we try it out? Get it going? See how it works? And if you see on here, it looks like a little butt with raindrops. So that's definitely gonna be the preferred setting, I'd say. I'm so excited. Let's try this bad boy out. So we're going to go over the instruction manual now just to see if we missed any key functions and parts. So here, this is the water flow control knob. This is your rear wash button, which we got that from the booty. Off button, the front wash. And then we, I imagine, go through this bad boy to connect the water. And we should be good to go. It doesn't seem overly complicated, which I like. I like that. Simplicity. Perfect. So now we're going to go install this bad boy and I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know how it goes. Hi guys, it's Misha Montana and I'm going to review the bidet I was mentioning earlier, which I've been looking forward to all afternoon. So here we go. Okay. So this button right here is the start, I believe. Let's turn it down first so we're not overwhelmed. Let's see. Oh wait, no, it's top, the top. Top is the bottom, so you hear it, it's working, it's trickling. Let's give it a little juice. Oh, there it is. Boy, that aim is like right on point. Definitely trajectory solid. Let's turn it up. Oh, wow. Oh my god, this is so great. Woo! Boy, it's really like strong on the strong setting. It's gonna get nice and clean. Let's try the front because it does a douche also, so get ready. You should probably turn it down a little bit more. Oh yeah. It's definitely appropriately metered for each area. Let's give that a go. I love bidets. I love this. This is impressive for this little tiny thing to do this because it's pretty much the same as every other bidet that I've ever tried. So this is awesome. I am definitely gonna put this in my house, 100%. Oh, cool. Let's see what this button does. I hear water, but I don't know where it's coming from. There it is. I love it. I'm probably gonna be here for a while, so if you guys have other things to do, I totally understand. I'm Misha Montana, and this gets a thumbs up for review.